Hey, what's up everybody? Too Tall Toby here and welcome to another Onshape quick tip, where today we're going to talk about the use of the Q key on your keyboard to quickly convert sketch geometry to construction geometry. So let me show you what I mean. What I'd like to do is begin a new sketch here on the front plane. So I'm going to use the S key to start my new sketch and use the S key again to create some lines. I'm going to create a line that comes over and up and over and down and over and then close this off. And what I'd like to do is take this shape and revolve it into a solid feature. So what I'm going to need is some construction geometry to revolve about and to dimension to. And so I'll use the line command, which I'm already in, to create a vertical line. And what I've been doing up to this point is a right mouse button on that line and then choosing construction. And this certainly works, but with all the efficiency shortcuts that I found in Onshape, I felt like there had to be a better way to convert my geometry to construction, maybe a little bit faster way to do it. And fortunately, in one of my other videos, Mark Miller left me a comment that said, when drawing a line, circle, arc, etc., you can tap Q on your keyboard and it will toggle between using a solid line or a construction line. And wow, this got me excited. I wanted to jump in and right away try it. And so here's what it looks like. I'll start the line command again and I'll begin creating a line. But before I drop that line, I will take my hand to my keyboard and press the letter Q. And now you can see that that toggled that line from solid sketch geometry to construction geometry. And you're left in that mode. So if I was to use the line arc line workflow, you can see that that is construction as well. And if you're done using that and you want to switch back to solid, you can just press Q again. So you can see this will work for things like circles. If I wanted to drop a circle over here, but I only wanted that circle to be for construction, I could press the letter Q. Or for rectangles, if I wanted to create a rectangle here, I could press the letter Q and you can see that gives me a construction rectangle. So now at this point, I'm pretty much ready to turn this thing into a revolve. I'm just going to jump into the dimension command. I'm going to pick this vertical line here, and then I'll pick the construction line. And what's cool is when you're doing a revolve, you can cross over that construction line and give yourself what's called a doubled dimension. So the dimension for the max height of this thing is going to be a standard dimension. The dimension for the inside wall thickness is going to be a standard dimension. But the dimension to this inside wall here to the construction line will give me that nice doubled dimension. Now I'm ready to turn this thing into a revolve, so I just go over to my feature revolve command, and all I really need to do is pick that construction line for my axis of revolution. And there we go, we've created a really nice revolved part. But of course, I could always go back to that sketch and choose that circle that I created, press the letter Q on my keyboard, and then hit the green check mark to exit that sketch. And now we see that circle geometry has been included in my revolve feature. So what did you think about that quick tip? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you know about this shortcut, press the letter Q to convert to construction? And are there any other ways to use this tool that I'm missing? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you're enjoying this series, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to join us for the next episode.